Christchurch, Dorset, UK. This rushing noise has been continuing probably for a couple of hours. It sounds as if the wind's blowing, but there's actually no wind. Very strange. There's some up there. It's almost like the sound of a whirlwind, but you can see there is absolutely no wind. It's almost like an aircraft. I don't know if my video will pick this up. There's a tree in the front garden, I don't know if you'll see it. And my palm tree down there, but there is absolutely no wind at all. Very strange. It's not a train. It's going now. I don't know if they're dredging or doing something. And the security light I've just noticed is going on and off downstairs. Very odd. I thought we'd got a gale blowing. It's almost as if it's a machine going there. This is definitely one for security. If this video